Listen, y'all, I'm about to put you on to something that's going to change your whole life. No cap. Gardening. First reason, it's like the best thing for your mental health. You get your hands in that soil, and I swear, it's like all your problems just melt away. Second, let's talk about that money, honey. Growing your own food, that's savings right there, and it's so fresh and delicious. You can literally grow tomatoes in a bucket on your porch. And third, it connects you with nature and builds community. Nothing brings people together like sharing those homegrown goodies. The patience you learn, child, it'll change your whole perspective on life. So, what are y'all waiting for? Get out there and start planting. And hey, if you watch this video, like and subscribe and drop a plant emoji in the comments. Let me know you're ready to get your garden on.